My people, una welcome to highlifeng.com, the best place to download Igbo highlife music, listen to entertainment, and all gist all over the world. My music is not for the poor masses. Onyenze Nwa Amobi throws insults to his fans. Nigerian highlife singer and Nollywood superstar Onyenze Nwa Amobi insulted one of his fans who took to advise him concerning his excessive calling of names and money singing in most of his songs. As una know, Onyenze Nwa Amobi just released one new song wey him title God of Money. This song take am days and months, even almost 1 year before he released this music. Now the music is out. Chief Onyenze did not only throw insult at the fan whose name is Cash Money, but also called him names. In details, Onyenze said his music is not meant to be played by poor masses, but for the wealthy alone, according to Onyenze. As for liking my songs, you don't have to like my music because you don't matter at all. You have not had a good 3 square meal. Now you want to listen to my music? Onyenze throws against the fact. My people, una don see say this story long? Wetin Onyenze dey try talk be say poor man no suppose listen to him music. Say poor man no qualify to listen. To hear the story finish, go to highlifeng.com. Now